Yeah, good morning to one and all. I am Navin Kumar Sriramojo. So, on the other hand, we have started C programming tutorial. So, parallelly, students have demanded to start Java programming. So, I am starting the second lecture series called as Java programming. So, in this, also first 2 to 3 days, we will be talking about any theoretical part if available, and from the fourth lecture we will be going with directly discussing about how to write the code step by step, right? So today we are going to learn about Java programming, in which I am going to cover the topics such as introduction to Java, then application areas of Java. So where all we are using this application areas of Java. The next one is, if at all you want to learn Java, is it really we need some information or knowledge? Should we have some knowledge in the form of prerequisites? We'll talk about prerequisites to learn Java. And the fourth one is types of Java available. So these are the four things we'll cover and we'll close the class. Very important this is, and sometimes without C also you can learn Java. Sometimes if at all we have C knowledge, it is better and easily we can understand, right? So now we'll talk about each and everything in detail. So the first topic is introduction to Java. So now Java is said to be high level object oriented programming language developed by James Gosling in the year 1995. So I'm just giving you the bullet point of the information. Java is said to be high level. That means we will be using only English type of language to write the code in Java, and that should be converted into misunderstandable, and for that we have a process. The second one is, Java is said to be object oriented type of programming language. Object oriented type of programming language. Right? And the third point is, it was developed by a person called as James Gosling, and it was developed in the year 1995, and C has somewhat influenced the Java programming, right? Now why Java is in the market today? Right, Java was designed with a single goal. We have a single goal while we talk about Java, and that is called as write once, comma, run anywhere. Right, write once and run anywhere is the motto or vision behind the Java introduction, right? That means, what is the meaning of this statement? The meaning of this statement is that Java program written on one operating system can run on any other operating system. So that is the main concept of using Java, right? Now once that this is done, we have some specialties of Java, so we list out them. Java is known for its simplicity. Okay, it is very simple to learn and very simple to understand. So when you are developing applications using Java, we provide more security. So security is also one of the features. Okay, now portable is also one of the feature. You can easily deploy or install application irrespective of the size of the device using Java programming. The next one is robustness. It is very robust so that we can easily depend on that, okay, for developing huge applications. The next one is platform independence. That means irrespective of platform, so Windows driven application based on Java can run in Linux based operating system. Linux based developed application can run in Macintosh, macOS. So that's why we can call a Java application as a platform independent. And the last one is the nature of object oriented feature it exhibits. Okay, object oriented feature of Java. So these are all the specialties of Java. So once this is done, so now we'll go into the next one called as, so you have to understand here one point that Java source code, an important point here to be noted. Java source code is first compiled in bytecode and then into by JVM. Okay, so this point you have to understand, right? Now we have many programming languages in the market, but Java is said to be one of the popular programming language. Java is said to be giving you more jobs than any other programming language when compared. So why Java is popular? That point you have to understand. Java is popular because of the reasons. Because easy to learn, large community support it has, provides excellent security features, widely used in industry, and it supports object oriented features. So these are the reasons why Java is said to be popular, right? So now it happens like since it is said to be popular, we have to know where Java is actually used. So I list out here. Java is used in number 1, desktop applications, where you can develop applications such as calculator application, text editor application, management system application like CMS. Now web applications also can be developed using Java. Okay, so banking applications can be taken as example, e-commerce applications can be taken as example. Then mobile applications can also be developed using Java, and Android application development is one best example for that. Then enterprise applications where we are going to talk about developing ERP systems. We can develop insurance systems related softwares and banking system related softwares, right? The fifth one is scientific applications also can be developed using Java, right? So scientific applications means Java can be used in research projects, Java can be used in simulation softwares, Java can be used in data processing applications, right? Now Java can also be used in cloud-based applications. Right? So cloud applications, distributed system applications can be using this Java, right? The seventh one is Java has helped in developing big data tools. You might have heard about big data analysis, BDA. So the story behind big data analytics success is using Java, right? And the last area is Internet of Things. Things where Java is used in smart devices and embedded systems. So these are all the areas where Java is being used popularly, right? Now we'll talk about prerequisites. Then we'll talk about types of Java, then we'll close. Prerequisites are like this. Suppose you want to learn Java, what are all the things you require? First one is basic computer knowledge is sufficient. Then you have to understand how the programming code to be written. Simple logics if you understand, then it is more than enough. Understanding of a programming language. Then you have to have the basic idea of how to write an algorithm or flowchart. Basic idea of algorithm and flowcharts. Okay. The next one is if you have basic idea of mathematics. Why? Because majority of the coding is numerical calculations. So if at all you understand the basic mathematics, then it is well and good. And the fifth and the most important is you should have interest in problem solving. You should show some interest in problem solving. Problem solving. So if at all you have all these 5, then you can understand and write the code easy. And the last topic that we are going to discuss today is types of Java. Okay, so we have 4 types here. Most important, the first type is called as Java SE. Java SE, often termed as standard edition, used for desktop applications. And used for basic software development. Basic software. Okay, and right. So in Java standard edition, we have core Java. We have collections. We have input and output. And we have networking. And we have databases. So if at all you learn this, you will get a job. Only concentrate on Java SE, core Java, collections, input output, networking related Java development code, and database connectivity. We will talk about each and everything in detail, like I will feed you everything like a school kid, right? This is the first type. The second type is Java EE. Where it stands for Enterprise Edition and used to develop enterprise level applications. Okay. It is like providing web services. It is like providing enterprise applications. It is like providing banking applications, e-commerce applications, right? So Java Enterprise Edition is the next level of standard edition. The third one is Java ME. So Java ME is sometimes termed as micro edition and sometimes termed as mobile edition, used to develop mobile applications, or we can say applications for mobile devices, used to develop application for embedded systems. Okay, and used to develop applications for smart gadgets. Okay, right. The last one, very rarely known one, is Java FX. Okay, Java FX is said to be a modern framework for GUI based applications in Java. Modern framework for GUI based applications in Java, right? And it will be giving you multimedia support, or animation support. So this is all about the very basic classification. So hope you have understood. I am going very slowly in order to make you understand about the actual subject. There is no rush. Weekly 2 lecture videos will be given with the duration of 15 minutes to 20 minutes or 30 minutes based upon maximum 30 minutes, minimum 15 minutes. So try to follow up, keep a book and note down all the important concepts that I am telling you. So this is all about today's class. We will talk about more subject in the coming classes. Thank you.